Chloe, put it back up. Put it back up now.
Primo, acá.
Oh, why can't go to the shop? And it's good. What the heck? Struck you.
Yeah.
Daddy out. Daddy out. Ice. No.
Well,
Oh, it's kind of stopping.
Hey.
It's stopping.
there's the family.